God begins to pray on your inside. So when you come out, men will see a God. Men will look at you and literally want to. The voice of God dwells with them. There are men that have prayed, the presence of God travels with them. There are men that have prayed, even while they are yet walking on earth, they are in the spirit. Ask him for the grace of prayer. I know you are a businessman. I know you are a singer. I know you are a preacher. I know you are a politician. But do you pray? If you don't pray, you will be swallowed up. You are in the midst of battle.